Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is an advanced suite of active safety features that has undergone several enhancements since its introduction in 2016, and Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist is among its key features. This video will provide a quick overview of how to adjust its various settings through the Settings menu in the multi-information display. Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist is designed to issue an audio or visual lane departure warning if an inadvertent lane departure is detected while driving at speeds above 30 miles per hour. If the driver does not take corrective action, the system is also designed to provide gentle corrective steering for lane-keeping assistance. Drivers have the option to adjust the system's alert timing or turn it off completely. Select Settings and then select LDA and press and hold OK. When the settings screen is displayed on the multi-information display, select LDA and then press OK to turn the system on or off. LDA alert types can also be adjusted from the LDA settings menu. Then select Alert Options from the LDA settings menu and then press OK to change to the desired setting for either vibration or beep. To change the alert timing, select Alert Timing and then press OK to change to the desired setting. Each time OK is pressed, the alert timing changes. That's a quick overview of how to adjust the various settings found within Lane Departure Alert. Each Toyota vehicle may differ slightly, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific system information. To learn more about Toyota Safety Sense, be sure to visit toyota.com/safetysense.